A good kid's camera can open up a whole new world for a child. Whether they dream of being future social media influencers, or they just want to take a stab at exploring their artistic side, having a camera as a kid can supercharge their creativity while being a ton of fun. If your child has started asking for your cell phone to snap some selfies, it may be time to investigate a starter camera for your kid. We tested a range of kid-friendly digital cameras to find the best for budding photographers and filmmakers. Our favorite, which rose above the pack for its durability and usability, is the Kitamento Model K. It's a terrific little camera that takes better than expected photos, is small enough to fit in a kid's hand, and is super durable. Number 1. Kitamento Model K. This cute little kid's digital camera made us swoon over its diminutive size, soft and grippy body, and its intuitive and easy-to-use features. In fact, this camera was so easy to use that we never once had to break out the instruction manual. Just take it out of the box, charge it up, and watch your kid snap away. Out of all the cameras tested, the design of this one elicited the greatest squeals of delight from our testers. The soft rubber exterior not only looks adorable, it has a comfortable and grippy feel and makes the camera nearly indestructible. If you're looking for a digital camera for kids that will encourage young shutterbugs to hone and develop a love for photography, this is the camera you absolutely should buy. What we liked best about this kid-friendly digital camera is that it puts photo taking above all else. That may seem like a no-brainer, but the most common complaint with kids' cameras is they can be so stuffed with games that they do nothing to develop foundational photography skills. Number 2. ProGrace Kids Waterproof Camera. A kiddie take on a GoPro, the 5-megapixel ProGrace is a tiny, mountable camera housed in a waterproof and shockproof plexiglass casing, making it a solid choice for young adventure seekers with a budding interest in photography. It comes with a full suite of mounts and has HD video functionality, making it a great, well-priced option for young adventurers. The burst shooting function makes it easy for kids to capture the dynamic movements of their friends, but we found the photo quality to be only so-so. The overall appeal of the ProGrace had more to do with capturing video while playing hard. This is a fun little camera that can shoot from the back of a skateboard, a surfboard, or the handlebars of a bike and is compact enough to go anywhere your kid's adventure takes them. Number 3. VTech Kiddie Zoom Print Cam. This easy-to-use, 2-megapixel instant camera was a favorite of our kid testers, while parents appreciated that they can print out their kids' photos for about 75 cents an image. The paper is basically receipt paper, so you're not getting the highest quality photos, but it does make for a fun experience for kids that won't break the bank. You also have the ability to download all the photos stored on the camera, so you can commit to printing the very best on real photo paper for better longevity. The print cam also comes with a 4x digital zoom, but it is more than a kid's digital camera. It's a handheld creativity device for aspiring graphic designers. Kids can create comic strips, coloring strips, name tags, cartoons, and more with preloaded graphics, so while this camera doesn't take the sharpest photos, it does make for an artsy experience that our testers loved. Number 4. Kodak Smile Instant Print. This 10-megapixel camera is a fun little learning camera for kids. Photos are taken on the digital screen and captured on the SD card. It doesn't immediately print out the photos when they are taken, so kids are encouraged to choose to save, delete, or print. While there are lots of kid-friendly cameras with an LCD screen on the market, this camera encourages kids to go through and pick the right photo for printing. Because of that extra step, they start to think a bit about framing and which photo looks the best. We found this to be a smart and fun option for a younger kid whom you want to teach photography to, but who you aren't ready to spend a lot of money on. We also like that the front of the camera slides shut, protecting the lens. It gave us peace of mind that the camera would have a bit of extra protection from drops and dirt. The only issue we took with the Smile Instant Print was its less than impressive photo quality. It's slow to take pictures of moving targets and performed poorly in the puppy test. Number 5. VTech Kiddie Zoom Camera Pix. The base model Kiddie Zoom is a durable kid's digital camera that stands up to just about any bumps, drops, or whops a kid can throw at it. With a 2-megapixel sensor and a bit of a lag time when shooting, it doesn't take the best photos, but it provided a bit of fun with the digital zoom lens and with photo collage templates. Like most of the VTech cameras, this one has over 30 photo effects that will get your kid feeling creative and clever. It also comes loaded with game apps. As with the Duo, the game apps seem to be the real draw for kids and are a distraction from the real use of the camera. You'll probably find your kid using it more for the video game feature than for its shooting mode. Kids loved it, but parents were disappointed that it quickly became nothing more than a gaming device and did nothing to encourage kids to take more photos.